Hi everyone, welcome to the Urban Sewing Society, where we bring fashion and creativity to your neighborhood. I am so excited that you all have decided to join the class and follow along virtually as we learn various sewing techniques. I promise to take you all the way from basic all the way up to advanced sewing if you stay the course over time. We were supposed to start classes on Thursday, April 2nd at 6:30 at the Timothy Community Center in Bronzeville, in-person classes. However, COVID-19 got in the way. And so I'm bringing you sewing modules and tutorials online, on Facebook Live, on a weekly basis. So thank you so much for joining in. I hope those of you that joined over the weekend really enjoyed the class about the anatomy of the sewing machine. This is so important to know those parts of the sewing machine, because that, at the end of the day, you're going to need to know when you get in our in-person classes in the fall. Fingers crossed. I did hear from some of you that you didn't have a sewing machine yet. So please, 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 if you are serious about this class, go and pick up a sewing machine. We will start sewing on the machine next Tuesday. We're going to do some basic sewing stitches. So you really, really need to have a sewing machine. Check out Joann's online. They will deliver. If they have the machine in the store, you can come and pick it up. The Roosevelt store in Chicago, you can go pick it up there. And those of you that are looking in live from other locations, check your local stores. And also, don't sleep on Amazon, because I'm telling you, you can get some really good deals on Amazon. So check there too. Later today and tomorrow, I will post links on the different notions that you can purchase for class. So you'll need things like scissors and seam rippers and tape measures and different things like that. So I'll make sure that you have a full and complete list. Also, some of you all ask about asking questions and when was a good time to ask questions. Anytime is a good time to ask questions. Now, if you're trying to buy supplies online and you need some help, feel free to Facebook inbox me. I do not mind. I will try to get around to your messages as soon as possible, but because I am working from home during the day, there might be a slight delay. But please do not hesitate. Do not be shy. If you have a question, please feel free to ask. The other thing is, you ask if these tutorials were free, and yes, they are. All of these tutorials, all these modules are free now, and the videos will be posted on our Facebook page group, or our Facebook group rather, for the next 30 days. So you'll be able to access them for the next 30 days. After that time, we will do another set of sewing tutorials and sewing modules that will then come up. And yes, the online ones will still be free. However, donations are accepted. And again, thank you to the person who sent me $5 on Cash App, because I really appreciate that. It lets me know that you really value the class and you wanted to make a contribution. So thank you for that. When we start our in-person classes, there is a fee for that. Those classes are $30 each. And if you want to buy 4 sessions, because each full class is 4 sessions, but sometimes people may have to miss and they know that they're going to be out of town. Those links will be available, and the registration for that will be available probably beginning of June. The other thing is that our classes in the fall will start hopefully the week after the 4th of July. So again, I'm so happy to have you here, and I look forward to seeing you on Thursday night. Come with that tape measure. It's going to be key.